Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a famous Sichuan appetizer, pork slice with spicy garlic sauce. This dish is traditionally made with meat from the back leg of a pig, which has half fat and half lean meat. But since it's hard to find that kind of cut in supermarket here, we're going to use pork belly for this. We'll try to find the pork belly that's nearly half fat and half lean as well. We're going to cook the meat by boiling it first. Starting with cold water, turn to high heat, add a few slices of ginger, 1 scallion, some Sichuan peppercorn, and some Chinese cooking wine. Keep on high heat, boil for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the thickness of the pork until the meat is fully cooked. Once the meat are fully cooked, turn off the heat, take the meat out, and put into refrigerator to help it cool down before slicing them. While the meat is cooling, let's prepare the sauce and decoration. For decoration, we're going to use 2 white parts of scallions. Split them and then slice them into thin strips and put them into cold water. The key ingredient for the spicy garlic sauce is garlic. We need half clove of garlic, peeled and cut into small pieces. Then we're going to use a pestle and a mortar to smash it into paste. To help mash the garlic into paste, we're going to add a little bit salt and a little bit water. A few minutes later. Now you have the garlic mashed into paste. Put the garlic paste into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of red chili oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce. Half tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil. About 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can also add a little bit MSG. Then mix the sauce together. Once the meat cools down to room temperature, it will become firm, which makes it easy to slice. Use a sharp knife to slice the meat. Slice it as thin as you can. Once all the meat are sliced, line them up in the bowl and pour on the spicy garlic sauce. You can also add some white sesame seed to give it some extra texture. Finally, put on the scallion for decoration. This dish is mildly spicy, a little bit sweet and savory, but full of garlic flavor. If you love garlic, you sure will love this dish. Hope you will enjoy this dish. Thanks for watching. See you next time.